I was doing the demo in the bathroom where I'm going to put the shower, and the original 1929 house is this part of the house, and this was the add-on. A couple years later, I don't know what year it was. Well, I do now, but the reason I do know is underneath the hardwood floor, they usually put down a tar paper to separate the finished floor down to the subfloor underneath. And this was the stairwell down into the basement on the 1929 part of the house. And when they added on, they moved the stairs over here from the kitchen. And so they covered this up. And they used newspaper for the underlayment. And as you can see, it's the Wichita Eagle. And it's the U.S. fleet pounding Japs. August 17th, 1942. How crazy is that? Gone with the Wind starts in Wichita. This is it, Wake Island. How funny is that? Butts Motor Company. Crazy.